From their airport, recreational places, tourist spots, malls, churches and schools, to their roads and infrastructures, Sarangani and Gensan are inferior no more. But what makes Sargent area more special this year? For 9 consecutive years, the National Shrimp Congress has been held at Bacolod. But for this year, General Santos City will host the event. General Santos City, or commonly called as Gensan, a place formerly known as the Diangas, was first inhabited by the Blaans. In 1939, spearheaded by General Paulino Santos, settlers from Luzon came to the Diangas. From becoming a municipality in 1948, it was renamed after its founder, General Santos, and in 1968, General Santos was recognized as city as it maintained its name. Gensan rose to fame as it was hailed the tuna capital of the Philippines in 1970 and then became a major player in aquaculture, particularly the shrimp industry. With its supply, technology, people, and support from the government, Sarangani and Gensan, or Sargent, offers more opportunities in the shrimp industry.
Well, being the tuna capital of the Philippines, I think everybody is excited to look at what Gensan has to offer. Yung importante makita nila kung ano yung Gensan, bakit siya naging tuna capital of the Philippines. At the same time, bakit napakalaki rin yung potential for shrimp industry. I think everybody's excited and curious what is Gensan. So the local government is really supporting the 10th Shrimp Industry Conference here in our city.
The shrimp industry in the Philippines has already grown and it keeps on growing. An opportunity for a congress to arise. The Shrimp Congress is the gathering of shrimp growers, players, and new investors. It aims to improve the industry, invite new players, and develop new technology. As one of the major producers of shrimp in the Philippines, growers in Sargent assure the quality of their product, which gained consumers' trust, not just in Mindanao, but in the whole country. When it comes to benefits, the shrimp industry has been a big help to Sarangani and Gensan.
Aquaculture is one of the trend ngayon. Nakita natin na malaki siya, na lumalaki at napapalaki pa ngayon ng shrimp industry. So the local government of Gensan are really pushing for this aquaculture, lalo na itong shrimp industry natin, to provide more employment at the same time yung food security program natin for our country, where we want it to grow more. We see it na talagang it will expand. In the next 5 years, I think it will double yung production natin to supply not only for export but for the local market. I'd like to invite everybody for the 10th Shrimp Congress here in General Santos City, the tuna capital of the Philippines, the city built on tuna. So please come and enjoy what the city can offer.